Prepare yourself. These 15 real creatures break all the rules of nature. Let's begin. A lemur that doesn't fly or climb fast, it glides. The flying lemur, or colugo, found in Southeast Asia, isn't a true lemur, but a unique gliding mammal. Its skin forms a wide membrane that stretches between its limbs, allowing it to glide up to 100 meters between trees. Silent and graceful, it lives high in tropical canopies, feeding on leaves and fruit. Its huge eyes give it perfect night vision. The flying lemur represents freedom and stealth in the forest skies. Though clumsy on land, it's unbeatable in the air. It proves that adaptation turns weakness into mastery. The colugo is a ghost of the jungle, gliding silently through moonlit branches. The largest animal ever to live. The blue whale can reach over 100 feet in length and weigh more than 200 tons, larger than any dinosaur. Its heart alone weighs as much as a car, and its voice can travel hundreds of miles underwater. Feeding mostly on tiny krill, it consumes up to 4 tons of them a day. Despite its size, it's gentle and graceful. Found in all major oceans, the blue whale is a symbol of power and peace. Sadly, it's endangered due to ship strikes and climate change. The blue whale reminds us of Earth's vastness and its fragility. A living giant that proves greatness can be quiet, not cruel. The smallest and hairiest rhino. The Sumatran rhinoceros, native to Indonesia, is critically endangered, with fewer than 80 individuals left. Covered in reddish-brown hair, it looks ancient, a true relic from the Ice Age. It's the only Asian rhino with 2 horns. Solitary and shy, it lives deep in rainforests, feeding on leaves, fruit, and bark. The Sumatran rhino symbolizes endurance, heritage, and hope. Despite centuries of threat, it still endures. Its call echoes through the jungle like a trumpet from the past. The Sumatran rhino is a living memory of Earth's ancient wilderness. It stands as a reminder that the rarest lives deserve the loudest protection. The fox with the biggest ears. The Fennec fox, found in the Sahara Desert, uses its enormous ears to hear prey underground and stay cool in extreme heat. Its soft, pale fur reflects sunlight by day and keeps warmth at night. Weighing under 3 pounds, it's the smallest fox on Earth. Agile and playful, it lives in tight family groups. The Fennec fox is a symbol of adaptability and gentleness in harsh conditions. It survives where few can, with intelligence and calm. Those oversized ears aren't just cute, they're tools of perfection. The Fennec fox teaches that even in deserts, beauty finds a way to listen and thrive. The bird that never lands. The frigate bird, found across tropical oceans, spends most of its life soaring in the air. It can fly for weeks without rest, riding wind currents effortlessly. Males inflate a red balloon-like throat pouch to attract females. Known as the pirate of the sky, it steals food mid-air from other birds with swift precision. Despite its daring behavior, it's a graceful symbol of freedom and flight. The frigate bird rarely touches the sea, though it lives above it. It's proof that real mastery means living between worlds, elegant, tireless, and bold. The frigate bird is the true ruler of the endless skies. A butterfly with see-through wings. The glasswing butterfly, found in Central and South America, has transparent wings that make it nearly invisible in flight. Its delicate glass-like pattern helps it hide from predators. Despite appearing fragile, it's incredibly strong, migrating long distances through jungles. The glasswing is a symbol of purity, transformation, and subtle strength. Its invisibility isn't weakness, it's armor made of elegance. Scientists study its wings for biomimicry and optical design. The glasswing butterfly teaches that you don't have to shine to be beautiful. It's a living whisper, fragile yet eternal. The monkey with moon-sized eyes. The Philippine tarsier, one of the smallest primates, has eyes larger than its brain. Found only in the Philippines, it's a nocturnal hunter of insects, clinging to branches with strong fingers. Its head rotates 180 degrees, giving it an owl-like view of its surroundings. The tarsier is shy and sensitive, easily stressed by human presence. It's a symbol of awareness and fragility in nature. Despite its tiny body, it commands the forest night. The Philippine tarsier reminds us that seeing everything doesn't mean belonging everywhere. Quiet and mystical, it's a guardian of the tropical dark. The most beautiful bird in the world. The resplendent Quetzal, native to Central America, glows with emerald green and ruby red feathers. Its long tail plumes trail like silk ribbons in the air. Sacred to the Mayans, it symbolizes freedom and life, because it dies in captivity. Living high in cloud forests, it feeds on fruits and insects, especially wild avocados. The Quetzal is a symbol of beauty, spirit, and independence. Seeing one in the wild is like witnessing a living rainbow. The Quetzal reminds us that freedom is the most radiant color of all. The bird that rules over death. The king vulture, found in Central and South America, is one of the largest and most colorful vultures on Earth. Its bright orange and red head contrasts with white feathers, giving it an almost royal look. It feeds on carrion, cleaning the environment from decay. Despite its grim diet, it's vital for ecosystem health. The king vulture symbolizes renewal and balance, turning death into life's continuation. It doesn't hunt but waits, watching patiently. The king vulture teaches that even the unglamorous roles are essential in nature's harmony. A majestic recycler wearing a crown of fire. A lizard that walks on water. The green basilisk, found in Central America, can sprint across the surface of rivers using its speed and special foot flaps. This earned it the nickname Jesus Christ lizard. Its bright green body and crest make it look like a tiny dragon. Agile and lightning fast, it dives underwater when threatened and can stay submerged for up to 30 minutes. The basilisk is a symbol of agility and balance. It proves that faith in your abilities can make you walk on water. A real-life miracle of evolution, running between worlds of land and liquid. A pig that lives on the ocean floor. The sea pig, a species of sea cucumber, lives over 10,000 feet deep in the ocean. It crawls slowly across the seabed, feeding on decaying particles. Despite its cute, pig-like appearance, it plays a crucial role in recycling nutrients. The sea pig is a symbol of patience and purpose. living in total darkness, it thrives where few can. It reminds us that even the smallest lives sustain the biggest ecosystems. Odd yet adorable, it's the deep sea's silent janitor, proof that beauty and function can crawl hand in hand. A lizard that becomes a leaf. The leaf-tailed gecko, found in Madagascar, perfectly mimics a dead leaf, down to veins, edges, and even bite marks. When motionless, it disappears completely into the forest floor. Its flat tail and skin texture make it one of the world's best camouflaged animals. At night, it hunts insects with deadly precision. The leaf-tailed gecko is a symbol of invisibility and survival. It proves that the best defense is to become part of your world. A living illusion, blending art and biology in one perfect creature. A whale with a sword. The narwhal, found in the Arctic, has a long spiral tusk, actually a tooth, that can grow up to 10 feet long. This tusk is filled with sensory nerves, helping detect temperature and pressure changes in icy waters. The narwhal symbolizes mystery, grace, and the unknown. Traveling in pods, it sings haunting underwater calls beneath frozen seas. Its tusk inspired centuries of unicorn legends. The narwhal proves that magic isn't fantasy, it's marine biology. A silent, majestic guardian of the Arctic deep. The world's best mimic. The lyrebird, native to Australia, can imitate chainsaws, camera shutters, alarms, even human voices, with perfect accuracy. Its tail feathers form a lyre shape, spreading like a fan during courtship. Males perform elaborate songs and dances to attract mates. The lyrebird is a symbol of creativity and intelligence in nature. It shows how imitation can become art. Living in forests, it records the sounds of its world and replays them flawlessly. The lyrebird reminds us that nature's music is everywhere. We just have to listen. The largest lizard on Earth. The Komodo dragon, native to Indonesia, can grow over 10 feet long and weigh 150 pounds. Its saliva is filled with venomous bacteria that slowly weaken prey. A skilled hunter, it can take down deer, pigs, and even water buffalo. Despite its strength, it's patient, often stalking for hours before striking. The Komodo dragon is a symbol of raw power and ancient dominance. It's the closest living link to prehistoric reptiles. Watching it move feels like witnessing a dinosaur reborn. Don't stop exploring, stay curious, and follow for more incredible creatures.